Morning everybody and welcome to today's morning market. So today we focus in on this morning's UK inflation data release, with inflation remaining at the Bank of England's target. Okay, so what are the details? So looking at the numbers, the UK headline inflation annual rate for June is 2%. To put that into perspective, last month was also 2%, and economists' forecasts came in at 1.9%. So just very marginally above what economists were expecting overall. If we look at other measures of inflation, so if we look at core inflation, so that excludes the more volatile components of food, energy, alcohol, tobacco, that came in at 3.5% for that annual reading for June. Looking at maybe one of the components which is just a little bit concerning is the services inflation number. And for those of you that watch a lot of morning markets, you'll know that the services inflation has proven to be a lot stickier than maybe what people were expecting. So that number came in at 5.7%. And this is a number that the Bank of England will be very keenly watching to help them understand the future direction of interest rates and when they first put through that interest rate cut. But let's look underneath the numbers. So what's actually happening under the bonnet? So for those of you that have been on holiday recently, this probably won't come as a surprise to you, but the biggest upward contribution came from restaurants and hotels. So up 6.9% on the year for June, and that compared to last month's reading, which was up 5.8%. You've actually seen some commentators talk about a Taylor Swift effect, whereby the people who've come to the UK to watch the individual Taylor Swift concerts have actually put up the pricing overall. And then just the largest downward contributor, that actually came from clothing and footwear. So it was 1.6% up on an annual basis for June. That compares to last month's reading at 3%. And maybe one thing that is interesting is also if we look at pricing for housing and utilities, that actually continues to fall. So on an annual basis, that sector of inflation was down around 4.7%. So that's everything from me. Please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And as we go through the week, we'll keep on giving you more information that we think is interesting for our morning markets videos. Thank you.